Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to unbox my new Sony 32-inch Bravia Smart TV, and the model of it is the W60D, and it has the black box like this, and all the text is the black, and you can see. So I will bring you to see more detail. So here is some detail on the left of the box. And here is the same as the front. And here is some information on the right of the box. Okay, now we're going on to unbox this TV. And now I have to take out the tag. Okay, then there is the installation TV manual. Here we have a TV stand, a touch wall mount. Here we have this is for attach the wall mount. Take the TV out. Here is the charger. We can see here the TV. It's the TV remote. It's a manual attached. And here is the TV. There's nothing else in the box. So you can see, yes, the TV in the plastic bag. Okay. Then I need to put the TV stand, and here is the TV stand with the attached screwdriver. We need to put the screen upside down. Not to scratch the screen. Okay, then here is the TV stand. Okay, and this one is the front, and this one is the front, and this one is the back. So you can put to the low point of the TV. Okay. You put it into the TV. And they are also right. And they are also Now I bring the screwdriver and then we will maybe put. And here is the tool attached for the wall stand. So if you don't want to lose it, I suggest to put it to the back of your TV. So I just attach it to my TV back because I don't want to lose it. Okay, after install the TV, so now we need to have a look. We need to have a closer look to our TV. So you can see is the thickness of the TV is very thin, and we check the connection here. So here we have the two USB port and one HDMI, and it's a headset connection, and this one is a QR code, and another here is we have another HDMI port, and below we have the cable antenna connection, LAN cable, video input cable, and here is the power supply port, is the DC in, so you can input your power supply here. So I have this adapter. Here we input the DC in here. Okay, and here you can see is the TV stand. We can input the cable in here, so it will arrange the cable not to be messy. Okay, now it's time to input the power supply to the TV. Okay, now I press the remote to turn on. Okay, and when you first start up, it will have the noisy sound, So I suggest you mute the sound first by pressing this button, so it will not have a noise sound to affect your feeling. And now first start up, we need to select the language first. So I select the English by press confirm on the middle of the remote. And then, do you want to set up? And then it will ask you to set up your internet connection. Then just press start if you want to connect your Wi-Fi. And then go down to agree and press confirm. And select the easy, and it will find a network for you, and wait a moment, and then just press the scan, So you can see here some of the Wi-Fi connection. So you find your home connection and then press on any Wi-Fi and then just press confirm button in this menu. And now you can find any of your text here. So we press up and down for the right text. So to input the capital letter, you can see the information here. Is this red is the capital letter, and this green is the backspace. So you can see here the red, green, yellow, and blue here. So now I want to put the capital letter. I press the red one, and then you can see all the text is changed to capital. Okay, after you complete the Wi-Fi setup, now you go down here and press the enter. And you can also press the show password here to see your Wi-Fi password is correct or not. And then if it's all correct, you just press the right button. And now your TV is trying to connect your home network. Now it's successful connect to your Wi-Fi. And you just press confirm and select your area. So I select Asia, Thailand, and if you want to auto update, just press on. And if you don't want your TV to always update, you just press off if you want to manually update by yourself, but I choose on. And then you have to select a home or demo. Demo is the showing on the shop TV demo, and we use it for home, so we select home. And it is the start auto finding your TV channel, local channel, so we don't have any local channel keyboard yet, so I skip. But for your TV, you can now press start to search your local channel. And now we need to select date and time. And today is 2021 June and 16. And press the right button and press down to time, and then set your time. And now it's 4 p.m. 4:15 p.m. And then press the right button until you can see all it's become white, and then go down to press OK. And now your TV can start for using. So now we just press the home button here, and then we want to go to all apps, and then go to YouTube. Then you can see the YouTube will display on your TV screen. Okay, now I want to search for my channel. Okay, so here is my channel. So I place any video first. Okay, and now you can see it worked well. Okay, thank you everyone, and that's all for today's video of the unboxing my new Sony Bravia 32-inch Smart TV. And thank you for your time watching this video, and I hope you enjoy the video. And this video will help you for more information before you want to buy this Sony 32-inch Smart TV. And thank you again for your time, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.